quick briefing with you guys.
Okay.
Yeah, this is his little tiny, or as they say, the mighty 407.
The mighty 407.
Because it's has a lot ability to lift. So,
All right.
Sam,
So
your turn.
we'll go over a view on the left side, and I'm going to sit right side here. The door is quite easy. It's the same door as this one. You just grab this handle. Your headset will be up front there, and I'll pass it to you.
Okay.
And all you do is just put it on over your head. Keep the mic close to your mouth. Grab this handle, pull out, and then you just slide it.
Okay.
And then to close it, side, and then push in like that. And this is the collective.
Left, right, left.
This is the cyclic. You don't have to remember those terms, but just remember the one in between your leg. That controls what's kind of like bouncing on a medicine ball. If you want to go forward, push it forward, it'll go forward. If you want to go sideways, it'll go sideways. If you want to go backwards, it'll go backwards. The collective here, it moves the blades collectively, so all the blades pitch up at the same time.
Okay.
So that's your up and down.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you want to lift off the ground, you raise the collective, bring the helicopter up. If you want to lower down, you lower the collective. You got pedals up there. Those pedals, what they do, they control the pitch on the tail rotor. So left pedal makes the helicopter nose to the left. Right pedal makes the helicopter nose to the right.
Okay.
Ready to go.
Ready to go. Mark's in the back. Suzanne's over there. Okay. Nothing like having a pinch cell.
Yeah, we had a really nice day Monday. The weather isn't always that beautiful when we go over to Rebel Stoke, but
It's busy.
Yeah. Great moment. A little bit upgrade.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, I'm glad it turned out this way. That was
Do you guys want me to grab a photo of both of you in front of the machine?
Yeah, that would be awesome. Wow.
So just be careful with your head.
Okay.
Everything seems to be head height with helicopters, so just be aware of that. So the cabin style is just a little bit different from this aircraft.
oh yeah.
Yeah, so instead of a closed cockpit in the rear, and another nice thing with that too, it protects the tail rudder, so
okay.
less likely to hit it with anything. So,
Right. I can't believe how clean the aircrafts are. It's like, you know,
yes, up top. Yeah, they do a pretty good job. We're pretty. The one we were in is outside.
yeah, but I mean, it was the same model, right? So they all have the, I see the rear, it's kind of rear view mirrors. Is that the right terminology?
Exactly. Yeah, you really have those.
Yeah.
As, they're going night flying tonight, and the glare from the landing light reflects, and it's really bright on the goggles. So
Okay.
ours was covered up.
That's cool. Well, you got such a nice facility.
Yeah, it's
Wow.
Clean.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's very clean. Yeah, it's nice meeting you too, and thanks so much for
Yeah, no
the
worries.
flight lessons and the flights.
Yeah, for sure.